morning, bitches. Time for some upgrades. Like I said, we're not messing around. We're gonna move quickly on this one. So stick with me. I'm just gonna start ripping it apart. Okay, so let's tear this bitch apart. Let's take it out. Let's take it out from the top. Alright, so right here we got the battery. It comes with a 350 mAh 2S. Put that right here. Alright, and then this body's in the way, so we'll start off. I was shopping for them, but I just happen to have this wrench. Oh, come on. Focus. Focusing is true. So it's a 0.05 0.05 Wheeler, made in Germany, so it should be pretty decent. I was looking at sets. They ran up to like $200 for, because these are little nuts too. But I think it might just be this wrench and then one socket wrench. I'm gonna lose every single one of these little screws, I swear. I'll use this art tray. One. And over here, should I buy the metal one? It is sprung weight, so I don't know, but it could be. It would just be the metal version of this rear bumper. I don't know. I'll think about it. Put that right there. Are we gonna upgrade the body? I wasn't planning on it. That was the one thing I wasn't planning on. So this whole truck, almost this whole truck, could come apart. We're gonna put a magnet up here, and then I have these little set of tools. Oh, there's no sockets. Uh-oh. I don't have any sockets that small, do I? Oh. This is not the right size. But it's working. There she is. One tire. Two tires. Oh. Alright, so all these tires can go to the deadbolt. Everything used can go to the deadbolt. So maybe for these tires, we'll boil them, break the seal, and then wrap the inside with solder, or we could wrap the outside, or we could put some lead on the inner rim. Anyways, this is such a nice little truck. I'm pretty impressed by the details. So there you have it. One truck on its frame. And we got a lot of work to do, so what time is it? It is 5:15 in the morning. And I gotta get to work. So I guess we'll finish this later. I just don't want to lose everything, you know, because that happens kind of a lot. What'd you say? Just do it a little bit more? Alright, well fuck it. Let's do a couple more things. I just see some stuff. So I'm going to take off these shock mounts. I'm going to take off these shocks. There's one shitty shock. I was looking for oil-filled shocks. I feel like maybe I found some. But they're just really hard to come by, and they're big, so they'll be up to like here, which I'm not totally against. I just don't want to spend money on something that it's not worth it. So this wrench is working flawlessly. It fits so nice. I mean, I grew up with some crappity crap. Me, I'm a free mod, born and raised type of guy. That's how I was raised. I asked my dad for money. Nah, I never even asked him for money. He wouldn't. It was instilled in our brains that we weren't getting any. So, but I did save up enough for an RC10 on my 10th birthday. And that was my best friend for a while. I wish I had one of these back in the day, though. I mean, I like the fast cars, but this thing is perfect for a slow-moving fat kid. Whoa, look at that droop, huh? We should add some major suspension back here. Droop City. Alright, so this one will be this hole will be for all the linkage screws. I think they're all the same size. And this one doesn't feel like the same size. That one feels a little bit longer. Take off this whole bottom assembly. See, that one's shorter. Maybe I'll be able to check the tape when it comes time to put this back together, because different size screws, come on. I remember putting together RC10s so much that I could still probably put one together faster than anybody around here. Just a straight up gold panned RC10. I can't wait to get these mods in. Tell you what. So I'm just gonna do this, and then I gotta get busy. And 2 more, and I think we're done for the day. So I told you we're not messing around, right? And we're moving quickly. We're trying to get this thing apart. I want to get those bead locks. Get those bead locks on. I'm really looking forward to that. Alright, so we got most of this stuff off. What's left? Some transmission screws, maybe. I don't know. I've never taken this car apart. Is there anything that I need to watch out for? Putting it back together? Give me a shout out. Leave me in the comments. If I hit, I was gonna say if I hit 1,000 subscribers, I was gonna give away a car. Maybe I'll give away this car to make it more appealing. Anyways, come on, you little bitch. Oh, I forgot all these screws over here. Dang, there's a lot of screws in this car. Alright, so 4 more. And then we're done for the day. Until tomorrow. 1, 2. These ones longer. Yeah. 1, 2. There's a lot of linkage in the suspension. It's pretty neat. Alright. Come on. Oh, there it is. Oh. Got the servo. Don't worry. We won't be needing that. Alright, so this. Should this become our first. Should this become the first mod on Freebolt? Rear suspension, rear steering suspension. What? That would be pretty cool, right? Maybe we'll get to that later. If enough of you tell me to, let me know what kind of challenges I'm up against. Do I have to buy a new radio? Do I have to buy another battery? Do I have to buy another speed controller? I don't know. Alright, now let's take off the front. Alright. Well, there you have it. All this shit will be replaced. Plastic, good feeling plastic, but it's going to be replaced with metal. Metal. So with all the screws out, we were able to take the bottom out, no problem. So there you go. One frame. Thanks, bitches. Have a good night. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Like and subscribe to follow along with this build. And let's put together a beast. What are we going to name this Jeep? Jeep something. Rubicon. Jeep something. Alright. Let me know your thoughts. Have a great day. Bye.